Oh, it's always exciting to get new fabrics, and we have them. Merlette. Merlette is a company I wanted you to look up because I want you to see what they're doing with these fabrics. They're just fabulous. They're great ideas. It's always fun to visit different designers. This is an Indian, kind of a little reflective of Indian. I think it'd be awesome for pants. Put those up and down jags woven. It'd be just cool and comfortable. It's 100% rayon. You can see it's just really light, great drape, but this Indian blues color is going to be all throughout if you just kind of watch for it. This would be a great little t-shirt to match. Do a little Nikki's top, 215. Oh, there's so many you could do. This would be great with this. You can see that both sides are good. It's got stretch in both directions. So it's just really just a pretty combination. And then if you decide to go to this one, I think this is so cool. It's kind of like an icot. It's that icot dyed. I don't know that it's icot. I think it's actually not dyed at all. I think it's woven. It's more expensive than dyeing. It's a woven, so both sides are pretty much the same. It's just really, really beautiful. But it looks like an icot where the different layers like that are, but it's still got this real denim-y blues to it. And then this is very similar to what we had. This is 100% cotton. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention. This is a cotton poly. This is 100% cotton. This is 100% cotton. This is a kind of a gauzy, it's like a dual layer. There's like 2 layers of fabric there, but it's stitched together. Very beautiful, 100% cotton. These are all, I think they're all like around $12.99. Very, very pretty. This is would be great for a sheath. Look at that fringe on that. I know we ran out of the blue fabric I did, but this would be just as stunning. And it's got a little purpley wine color in there, along with this denim, this blue denim color again, along with the white. Both sides are usable. Amazing fringe. Just so pretty, but it's the texture that's beautiful. It could be dress, it could be skirt, it could be a cape, it could be pants. Lots of different options you've got there. And then this last one is a rayon, and I put it in because it's so beautiful. It goes so beautiful with this. I just really love the, and I love a wine and a navy together also. A wine and a white, a cream. They're just very, very pretty. This is a woven. It's 100% rayon. Somebody asked me the other day if they could use it for a lining. You could. I mean, it's so affordable. You certainly could. But it makes a beautiful blouse. Really nice. And it makes a really nice weight pair of pants. Really lightweight, just like a gathered waist. Very lightweight, very pretty. And they're pretty. They're so pretty. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.